Hi guys, Roberta Montagnini here, and in today's video I will be showing you how I edit this image and how I achieve this look. So the image that I'm editing is this one here, and I transform the image to this result right here in just a few easy steps, just using some adjustment layers, and pretty simple as that. So to begin with, I'm gonna delete this layer here, which holds my finished look, and I'm gonna use the curves on the adjustment layers, and I'm gonna create a few, and I'm gonna create a few dots right here, and I'm just gonna adjust really slightly, as you can see. I also like clicking the eye to see what I'm doing, so I don't overdo anything. Right, I like it for now. I think I'm gonna keep it like this. Right now, we've just done the curves, so the next step, I like creating a black and white layer. And you just need to ensure you click this tint option that we have right there. And you're gonna go to layer and soft light. And you're gonna make that opacity roundabout to 50. Yeah, starting to really like that. I think it looks pretty nice. Then I'm gonna adjust the color balance of this image, and I'm gonna be toning the midtones and the shadows. I'll start with midtones first. And my color balance for the midtones, I will go with the red just around here for very slightly. Then I'm not going to touch the magenta or the green, just because I don't like that. No, just because they're not going to be needed right now. And on the yellow and the blue section, I'll put the yellow just like around here. So I'm not actually adding yellow, I'm just adding a little bit of blue. The tones, the difference are minimal. And now I'm going to go to shadows. And on the shadows, I'm going to put red right about 5. And the yellow -3. And the image is starting to take shape. Now you can see a little bit of difference. Now on the adjustment panel, I'm gonna add levels right here, and the levels are going to, the value of the levels are going to be 7, 116, and I'll leave my whites to 255. I'm gonna adjust the output here to 13, 12. It's okay. And the whites, I'm gonna 250. Why not? This is the adjustment I've just done on my layer. I quite like it, the way it looks. Now, there's something very cool that I'm gonna list on the description below, that I'll be giving you a free download of this beautiful thing I just created, which is a sunshine. I created this because I wanted to add sun to some of my images, and sometimes there is no sun. This picture, for example, was shot in the UK, in Cambridge, and it was very cloudy and gloomy. So I'll just add I'll copy this first actually. the layer, and I'll just paste it over here. Look at that beauty. And just make sure you make that layer, you set the layer to screen. So now you have the beautiful sun right here, and I'm gonna place it right there. I'm gonna make this sun a little bit large because, you know, we love the sun. I think I was too greedy right now. Greedy. Let's remove the, reduce the size, and then we can reduce the intensity. I think that's a good sun. And now I'm just going to create another sun. I'm going to just duplicate that layer again. We're going to make this a small sun. Just going to put it around here a little bit higher. And I'm going to group these into a layer group, and I'm gonna add a mask by clicking that thing here, which makes a mask. And now I'm using the brush set to black, and I'm gonna remove some of the sunshine in her face. My opacity is set to 50 and flow set to 40. I'm using the pen tool to a tablet to edit, so I'm just slightly brushing on her face. Just want to remove the intensity. I don't want her face covered in sun rays. I think I can live with that. I think it looks nice. I might set this top layer to maybe color dodge and maybe reduce the opacity. 30. Not convinced. Overlay, no, it wasn't overlay. It's color dodge. So let's group the whole thing and see how it looks right now. So this so far is what I've done with the image. Now there is this really nice tool which is called Color Lookup. It's another great functionality on Photoshop that can massively increase the speed of your editing. It works like a color grading preset. It's a great way to achieve a certain look and improve your workflow. I will link the page with the exact pack I bought, and it only cost me $25 for over 200 color grading presets to use from. Some people are against the use of color enhancing tools, and if you're one of them, that's also fine. You can achieve this look by playing with the tools already offered in Photoshop, by no means. But if you want to have some more time to be creative with other stuff, the LUTS, the color grading called LUTS, is affordable and really nice for beginners and professionals. And right here you can see the before and after of some images, and it's just really amazing what it can do. Alright, let's go back to our picture, and I'm going to use the Color Lookup here, and I'm going to use, it was Sedona. I'm going to list also the exact one that I used for this tutorial. I think it was this one, Sedona Log. Yeah. And I'm gonna set the opacity to this to really little, like 20 only. You just see a slight adjustment on the color. I'm gonna move it over here. I'm gonna put my curves at the top, then my levels, then black and white. Yeah, I like this way. And this is it. This is just really a very simple tutorial on how you can edit your images, make your images look good. Here's the final look. This is the before and after. That's all for now. I really hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you did, then please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Let me know in the comments below if you have suggestions for other videos, and I'll try and make a tutorial for you. Thank you guys for watching. Bye now.